Bakit hindi nakikita na live ako? Are we live?
Yes,
Yes, we
we
are
are live.
live.
I can see. Nakikita ko dito sa
Okay.
akin.
So we are back again for another Go Live session with our special guest, another nurse, guys. Can you imagine? Nurse, ang daming nurse talaga dito sa digital business namin, and we keep on bringing them here live para marinig nyo naman kung ano yung naging experience nila dito sa digital business. So we are so excited. As you guys can see, meron kaming bagong face dito sa Go Live namin, and we can't wait to hear from her. But before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. First of all, ako po si Maria Abigail Mones na. Di pa rin ako sanay. But I'm from Ontario, Canada. I've been here for 12 years, originally from the Philippines. And I used to work as a production associate and now a full-time digital business owner and a newlywed. Newlywed pa ba yun?
Yes.
So, so let's go to Ate Grace. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody. We are back. My name is Grace. I am based in Canada. I am originally from the Philippines. And tonight, guys, we have a special guest. We are trying to bring different faces every week so that yung mga viewers namin is malaman nila na we are in this business, everyday people, nandito na po yata lahat. Doctor, nurses, healthcare worker, lawyer, teachers. This kind of business is built for everyday people. That's why we are trying to bring different people from different walks of life. So stick with us, and Sis Lorna, your turn before we introduce our special guest.
Hi everyone. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, wherever you are around the globe, guys. We're here again for another Go Live to share with you this amazing opportunity that changed our life, our struggles, our situation. So, my name is Lorna. I'm a mom of three growing kids. Originally from the Philippines, Tobong, Ilocana. I'm here currently living here in California with my family, and I work as a registered nurse for over 2 decades. And because of this online business, I was able to cut off my working hours, and now I'm just a PRN nurse.
All right, awesome. So now let's hear from our guest speaker for tonight. So guest speaker talaga.
Talaga guest speaker. Hello,
Floor is
hello.
yours, Ate
Yeah.
May. Go
Hello,
ahead.
everyone. I'm really fortunate to be with you ladies. I'm May Santa Ana, by the way, from based here in Chicago, originally from Pangasinan, Philippines. So I'm also a Ilocana. There you go. I came here to America 2003, immigrant as a nurse, and then nagka-family na. I have two grown-up kids. They are in the Philippines actually. I work several part-time works. Kaya yon. Before ako nag-start dito, I work 3, 4. Andyan na lahat. I think that's a norm to all the Filipinos who came here to America or Canada in order for us to survive, right? So that's the story of me. And I have also my parents, but they are back home right now. Yun lang ang aking masasabi. But I love to be part of this digital business. I am proud actually to be part of this business. Yeah.
Yes, awesome, Ate. So stick with us, guys, because we are going to ask 5 questions to Ate May Floor about digital business, her journey. So, you already said, yung may job ka, but what really drove you, Ate, to start your digital business?
Actually, I started this business 2020. So I've been here almost 6 years now, right? So before that, we all know that we have a global crisis that time. And I have my parents with me. So I don't want that particular, I don't want to say that word, but we are in the healthcare profession, so it's really prone to us that we can get that particular C. I don't want that to be bring home and brought it to my parents and of course to my family. And of course, before I don't have the luxury of time. There you go. We all know realization wise, most of the people here or most of the family doesn't see each other. And that's part of my story as well. And sometimes it's sad to say that sometimes you don't know already the person in your household, right? Because of the busy, you sacrifice your time in order for us to have some savings, something in the table. But with that, we miss all the milestone that's supposed to be for them. So when 2020 came, I saw an ad. Actually, it's a cousin of my husband who's doing this. She is a nurse as well. So I have fear. I am skeptical. I saw this particular ad 2018 with a different uh person, but I didn't go through with it kasi I thought it's like SCAM. We all know that all the online business, we think it's an SCAM, but actually, when I saw this particular cousin of my husband, I said, maybe this will be it's a true business. So I really get in touch with her, and she said to watch the webinar. And it's okay to be fair. It's okay to have a skeptical mind because that's how we built our mechanism, defense mechanism. But in order for us to grow and to know that particular business if it's real or not, then you have to take a risk. And I took a risk. It's a no cost workshop, so there's nothing to lose. So from then on, I saw it how this business worked, and I tried it and I love it until now. I'm here, right? That's how it is.
Yeah, awesome, ate. So that's something that we all like sa lahat ng mga naririnig na natin sa mga interview, this is always the reason why people start a new income stream because they miss family time, they have to make extra income like overtime just to make ends meet, ganyan. But on the other side, may disadvantage din talaga na, minsan nakakalimutan mo na yung family mo. Minsan yung birthday nila, ay, hindi mo na din sila mag-greet, nakalimutan mo na din yun, no? Yung mga holiday gatherings, ganyan nami-miss mo. And it's true. Sometimes tayo as a human being, talaga, nature din talaga natin, it's normal for us to find something para maging happy tayo sa life and ma-fulfill natin yung kung parang may kulang kasi, 'di ba? Yung nagtatrabaho ka nga pero you know what I mean, wala ka naman ding time sa family. So parang hindi mo rin na-e-enjoy yung pinagtatrabahuan mo, right? So, yun, thank you so much Ate for that answer. And now let's go to Ate Grace. I-ask niya yung next question.
Okay, for our special guest. Before joining, did you ever have a doubt? Parang kaiba, no? Because we are used na, we always go together pag nag-go live. So, before joining, did you ever have doubt or wonder if it might not be legitimate? What helped you overcome those concerns? What
Okay.
helped you
As
overcome those
base
concerns?
nga kanina, it's really normal to human being na mag-fear, may fear tayo, may doubts tayo, skeptical tayo. Acknowledge that particular feeling that you have. But in order for you to grow naman, you have to step out from your comfort zone, di ba? So, sabi ko, nung una, kaya ko kaya ito? Sa busy ng aking fast yung buhay ko, na maraming part-time, tapos nagtatrabaho. And then, as a wife as well, and a daughter, sabi ko, kaya ko kaya ito? But I said, tapos hindi rin ako marunong sa technology. I just know how to type in the keyboard, but nothing else for that one. And of course, yung sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na, is this for me? Kasi wala naman akong background sa business. Is this for me? Paano kung mag-fail ako? Is this for me? Or paano kaya kung pagtatawanan lang ako? But those things are only for naysayers, right? Kasi ang iisipin mo na ngayon is your life, your family. Kung hindi ko susubukan ito, ganito pa rin ang aking routine. It will be home, work, and then home again. So walang pagkakaiba, at saka yung sasabihin ko na lang yung paycheck to paycheck, ganun pa rin. No matter how hard worker you are, kung ganun pa rin yung situation, walang magbabago sa buhay. So sabi nga nila, nothing changes if you don't change. So this business actually helped me to grow personally, not only the monetary wise, but the personally growth that I
You
have right
become.
now. It's really big part. Yeah, dahil hindi niyo ako makikita dito pagka ganun pa rin si Maida. So that's how I overcome that one. So sasabihin mo lang sa sarili mo, kung talagang desidido ka, committed ka, na magbago ang isang buhay ng tao, ng buhay namin, then I have to go step by step. Kung mapagdadaanan ang some obstacle or struggle, that's a phase of having a business, or that's a phase also of having in life, right? So walang magsasucceed kung hindi ka magkakaroon ng mga challenges on when turning on those particular step or milestone that you have. Yeah.
Yeah, nakakatawa yung journey ni May because I met her in August of 2003. When I met her, she's super shy. She hardly talk, and then we became friends. And ako yung makakapag-testify how much she grow in this business from being shy person to look how she talks now, di ba? Nung nag-start siya na mag-go live, nahihiya siya, but now ang galing-galing na. Galing na yan. So sometimes, kahit na nauna kami sa kanya, we always ask her because sa business na ito, hindi porke nauna ka, mas may alam ka. Sometimes, yung mga bago, yun yung may mas alam. Especially, makikita mo sa kanila yung persistence, yung perseverance nila, how they really want to change their life situation. And testimony ako, I can testify na si May is super. I always ask her. And not
I
only...
owe. I owe to you and Kuya John.
Yeah, I think marami naman kasi what I noticed in this business is hindi lang bawat isa hindi lang isang side ang makakapagbigay ng learning, and it's a give and take. I learned from Coach Abby, I learned from you, I learned from Sis Lorna, and we learn from like what we are doing now. We're collaborating even though we are not in one team, and we are doing this collaboration. We're learning from each other, and that's how we grow sa business na ito. Thank you. Ikaw naman. Back to you, Coach Abby.
So, anything that you want to add, Ate Lorna? Ang tahimik mo today.
Napagod
Nakukwento
na.
na siguro ang kuta niya sa kabila.
Napagod siya.
Naubos na. Well, valid naman yung reason na to be skeptical, to question. Kasi, it's better to be sure than to be, get scammed, or something. But alam nyo, itong business namin na ito, guys, we are giving you the opportunity to look inside our community. Kayo mismo ang mag-decide for yourself. Kami lang yung messenger na nag-share sa inyo how amazing this, how it changed tens and thousands of people's lives, including the four of us here in front of you guys. You are not committed to anything, it's so, like, it's free to look into it, kung talagang gutom ka sa pagbabago ng sitwasyon meron ka ngayon at ng yung family mo na ayaw mo yung tipong sagad ka sa kakatrabaho pero the same pa rin eh. Nandyan pa rin yung bills, non-stop bills, you know. Tapos iisipin mo na lang na magtatrabaho ka until your ideal retirement age. Hindi pa sure kung kasya ba yan for you and your family to survive, di ba? So, kung takot ka, mas lalong matakot kayo guys na walang magbabago sa buhay niyo kung yan ang paiiralin ninyo. Yep.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
All
True.
right. That being said, as the next question natin. There you go.
All right, sis. My goodness. Guys, this
What
is
are
what
the
I love in this online business. I met these two amazing ladies here, sis Mayflower and sis Grace, when we had this convention, our business convention in San Diego, you know, last year. So, di ba, ito yung kagandahan. We do our business online, but we are able to meet also offline, in person.
Yes.
So, sobrang nakakatuwa at nakakataba ng puso kasi complete stranger become a family. So, sis Mayor, here's my next question. Handa ka na ba sa susunod na question?
Handa ka naman. Ang galing ko na.
Okay, so what are the top perks or benefits of running this digital business that you enjoy the most?
For me, the perks, as I said earlier, busy nga ang buhay natin as a nurse. So the flexibility, that's one of the best part of having a business like in the digital space. Tapos, actually, what I love in this business is the growth, the personal growth, the change of your mindset. Kasi ang mindset ko dati, palagi yung pessimistic. Palagi yan sasabihin sa sarili, hindi ko yan kaya. I really have the doubt. I sabotage myself. And sometimes I still have that. But I'm able to control na yan. Yun yung mga perks na gustong-gusto ko dito. At saka yung business kasi, the business that we have, you can travel. And we love to travel. My husband and I love to travel. At kahit na nasa ibang ibayo kami, I can do my business because of the automation that we have. And plus, in this business, you will have the mentor and a coach, the community. As somebody told me, a business partners of ours, sabi niya, in her other digital online business, they compete each other. But in this business that we have, we raise everyone to be support everyone to be up and to be successful in this business. So it's you have to embrace it as a family. You have to be also part of them and give them the validity na ikaw ay isa ring membro nila dahil because of that you are able to give like accountability partners, because without accountability partners you won't grow in this business. You must be not aggressive but able to say something. You must know how to ask because your mentor and your coach doesn't know what's in your mind if you don't ask them. Akala mo kaya mo, but actually no, right? That's me before. I owe everything. I have to do everything on myself. But I said I won't grow in this without anybody who will guide me and support me. But I reach out, especially when we have the convention in Calgary. That's how I met these accountability partners of mine, Grace and Kuya John, si Coach John, and everyone. And that's how this business I love, and that's how the perks, the benefits of the business. Not only the monetary that you will see in this business, but the growth, the mindset, and the confidence na wala ako dati. Yan yun.
Galing ka nga. Galing.
Oo, bonus na lang yung income dito talaga sa online business because you really grow personally, you know. Diyan mo mailalabas lahat ng hindi mo in-expect na, you are capable of doing this and that, you know. So, madi-discover mo talaga yung sarili mo, yung blessing na pinagkaloob sa'yo ni Lord na hindi mo pa na-discover since you were a little kid, you know, ngayon mo lang na-discovered, how old are you na, di ba? So, itong digital business din gusto kong idagdag sa senior mo na as a mom na busy, the same time busy rin sa trabaho, pero I'm so grateful na PRN na lang yung trabaho ko bilang nurse. But still, I'm so grateful na this business nandiyan kaagapay ko palagi. I don't have to uh, in a lookout 24/7. It's a business that is on the go. Kahit saan man ako magpunta, maya't maya may yung cellphone ko na tumutunog, "Oh, meron na naman business increase," or may interesado, 'di ba? So, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na hindi yung cellphone mo mismo ang nangungulit sa'yo, "Check-in mo ako kasi meron ka na naman buhay ng isang taong mababago. So don't ignore me." Like, oh my gosh, like I'm picking up my kids or dropping them off or do groceries. Nandiyan, nagwo-work talaga because of the automated system that we have it. You don't have to work so hard for it kasi talagang 90% hard part of this business is already done for you. 10% na lang, ikaw na ang bahala diyan to make it happen, to make it work. Yep.
Yes. So if you guys are looking for a way to earn na sarili nyong oras on your own schedule, tapos kayong sarili nyong boss, walang magdidikta sa inyo ng gusto nyong gawin sa buhay, then try this out, This could give you like parang room to enjoy life while earning too, right? So Ate Grace, why don't you ask the
Yep.
next question?
Yep. So aside from the financial gain, how has this business positively impacted your life? It's sort of na-answer mo na, but if you have more to add.
Yes, I have more to add for that. Yung dati, ang ating what in my mind is whatever the savings that I have because of the job that I have as a nurse is gonna be enough for us. But no, with this business, you will see the long term. Long term, why? Because if you planning to have the golden years and you think that particular savings that you have for your retirement is enough, I don't think so. Because most of the time now, who are retiring are coming back to work in a different particular department in order to sustain whatever the lifestyle that they have, right? But because of this business, it's what we call the security. That's how I love this business and I embrace it actually. The learnings, especially as I always said, the mindset, it's changed a lot. What else? The legacy. Sa akala ko dati ang legacy mana mo lang kung ikaw ay yung talagang ang tawag nito, yung malapit ka na. But no, it's having a legacy right now for your children and for your family. That's the wisest thing that you will think right now while you are still living in a good and healthy life. Because of that, hindi mo na siya problemahin kung kailan matanda ka na, di ba? And you have mine is that I have now the option. Kung gusto kong mag-retire, kaya ko. Kung gusto ko pa rin magtrabaho, kaya ko at least magiging part-time na lang yung career ko and this business will be sustaining the financial and the growth of my family and the ability to help other people. Dito kasi madidiscover mo yung purpose mo. Ang purpose ko dati is to take care of my patients, but now it's going wider. That take care of having the solution that you can give to other family that you can also change their life. So that's how this business give me not only financial gain but also the purpose in life. Yeah.
That's amazing. See, most of us, if not all, when we got into this business, what we are looking for is yung additional revenue na kikitain natin. But then again, hindi lang yun ang naging benefit natin in this business. Nag-grow tayo. Oo, nagkaroon ka ng additional revenue. And ang daming yung flexibility na naibibigay sa atin, one, nakakapag-travel, one, nami-meet natin yung mga tao kung saan-saang panig ng mundo, 'di ba? Doon pa lang winner ka na eh. And then yung pwede kang magtrabaho anytime na kung kailan mo lang gusto. But you have to do it every day. Kaya lang you can put the time, whether it's in the morning, in the evening, or in the lunchtime, you can choose kung anong oras maluwag para sa iyo to do this kind of business despite na meron tayong mga full-time work. And I think most of us, ang iniin natin in this business is yung makapag-retire tayo early, which it's very common because doon na pumapasok yung flexibility na hinahangad natin in this business. And also, kapares nga ng sinasabi mo na nagkaroon tayo ng more purpose in life to help other. Hindi lang yung, siyempre sa mga nurses, di ba, ang talagang essence ng pagiging nurse is yung mag-alaga ng pasyente. So, in this business naman, ang essence is tumulong ka. The more you help, the more you gain.
The more you what?
The more you help people, the more revenue comes back.
Yes, the
More
more
blessings.
The more blessings.
Yeah.
Sis, gusto ko rin i-highlight na ang tawag dito, achievable naman lahat talaga ng goals
Yeah.
dito sa
Yep.
business na to. Kahit ano pang goals or dreams na inaasam mo sa buhay, mangyayari yan. Pero gawan mo ng paraan. Hindi ka yung tipong nakaupo lang dyan or not doing anything. Walang mangyayari, syempre, di ba? Tsaka, ang na-realize ko talaga is, buong buhay kong nagtrabaho bilang isang nurse, ang ina-achieve ko lang talaga is my retirement plan for my family. Tapos on the other, like on the contrary, sabi ko, Diyos ko Lord, ang hirap ng trabaho bilang isang nurse. Para kang kalabaw na, magkandara pang magtrabaho. It's worth it talaga yung sahod mo. You have to really work so hard for it. They really make you worth it, yung sahod mo. Pero ang pinaka-sad na part is yung time mo talaga for your family in exchange to your paycheck, which is never mong maibalik yan buong buhay mo. Nakalipas na, you cannot rewind, you cannot replay anymore. That's it, you're done. So, habang maaga pa guys, take action now. That's what we all did dito sa community na to.
Yes. Alright, let's
Galing.
acknowledge first yung mga natin. Dito na lang pala. Viewers natin. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you
Nicole.
for watching.
And
you
yung next on board.
And
next
we have
week.
another viewer.
Let's
Luna.
go.
Hello, let's
Hi,
go.
Lina.
Praise
Thanks for
word.
watching.
And Kuya Artemus.
Oh, sweet.
Hello.
Watching from San Francisco Bay Area. Yay! Thank you, thank you.
Alam mo kung sino yung mayayaman no? When we check din Kuya Art, thank you po for watching.
Yes. So, thank you, Ate Mayflower, for inspiring us. Now, we have two more questions, Ate. Bear with us. So, ito naman ang question ko sa'yo. Ano yung advice mo for someone who is interested in starting their business but is held back by fear?
Okay. Ang advice ko lang, acknowledge that fear, but you have to take a small step, take action. Ang fear naman, nandyan palagi yan eh. Hindi yan mawawala kasi defense mechanism natin yan. So, kung pag ang fear ay palagi ka na lang natatakot, walang mangyayari sa buhay natin, right? Kung ako, kung ang fear ko na pumunta dito sa Amerika mag-isa, at iyon ay example ko lang kung ako mag-isa pumunta dito at may fear ako na magbiyahe mag-isa, I might not be here, right? You have to conquer that fear that you have. Courage. You have to have the courage to take action. Take that risk. Kasi wala namang mawawala. That's why in this business that we have, we always invite them to watch the free or the no-cost webinar in order for them to have the background kung paano nga ba nagkakaroon ng isang online business. And that is in the detail doon sa webinar natin. After that, if they think, you have to be curious and also have always the ability to learn. In this particular business that we have, because it's a digital, fast-paced tayo, you must embrace being coachable in this business. Kasi kung palaging I know it all, hindi ka magiging successful dito sa business na ito. You must know how to accept learning. You must know how to accept mistakes na kailangan mong baguhin in order for you to grow. Ano pa ba? The flexibility for you na mag-learn, mag-grow, at saka wag kang mag-stick kung nasaan ka. Whatever career you have, it's okay. But the ability for you to learn something new and learn something na magkakaroon ka na ma-improve yung skills mo outer than from your being a career woman or a career parents, do it. Because that's how you will know your purpose in life. Yun yung nakita ko dito sa business na ito. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. That's a great answer, ate. Yeah, sa totoo lang, fear, kung magpapakontrol tayo sa fear natin, wala talagang mangyayari. Like, we will never reach our dreams in life kasi we are just stuck in the box, di ba? Na hindi tayo, parang may gusto tayo pero natatakot tayong tumalon. Kunwari, paano natin makikita yung other side of that, like, kunwari yung mountain or whatever, right? Paano mo makikita yung napakagandang view or napakagandang mangyayari sa'yo kung hindi mo susubukan, 'di ba? And nakarelate ako dun sa na-mention ni ate na, you know, you will find your purpose by doing this business talaga. Kasi dati, nung nag-work pa ako, sinasabi ko, ito na ba talaga yun? Ganito na talaga yun? Wala na talagang upgrade. Parang, paano ko naman matutulungan yung family ko? Ano ba talaga yung purpose ko in life? Like, just wake up, go to work, go home, sleep, eat, and then do it again? Yun na lang ba talaga yun? But when I found out about this business, guys, dun ko na-realize na we can be more. We can be a blessing to a lot of people, and pwede tayong makatulong sa maraming tao by doing this business. Sabi nga nila, parang ang selfish daw kapag you are contented to where you are right now. Kasi you are just thinking about yourself na, okay na ako dito, pero how about yung mga tao sa paligid mo na kailangan din ng tulong, 'di ba? So, if you want more, that means you are selfless kasi you are willing to help others din, 'di ba? You want to be to like fly high for you to help out a lot of people, like mag-share ng blessing kasi alam naman natin na malaki yung potential ng business, and if we just let it sit there and do nothing, how can we help, 'di ba? So this is kaya super blessed talaga tayo, guys, na nandito tayo sa business kasi this is our way to fulfill that purpose that God has given us in life. You know, hindi lang tayo yung, okay na ako hanggang mamatay na ako dito sa work. You know, okay na to, okay na basta wala akong utang, basta makatulog ako, makakain ako, okay na yun. 'Di ba? Pero kung titignan mo kung ano yung mabibigay ng business na 'to, hindi lang money. Kasi minsan iniisip nung ibang tao na we are doing this business kasi hindi tayo nakokontento kung anong meron tayo. Pero sa totoo lang, yung gusto lang talaga natin din, at sa totoo lang, guys, nung una, yun lang talagang gusto ko, extra income. Pero nung tumagal-tagal na, syempre may purpose ka na, na-realize mo na, oh my gosh, this is a way for me to help a lot of people pala, hindi lang para sa sarili ko. So yun, guys, nakaka-inspire lang si Ate Mayflor na she keep on going, right? Parang na-inspire ako sa inyong lahat na we show up every day, you guys show up every day, na sabi ko, kahit gaano katagal na maging, millionaire ka dito na makatulong ka ng maraming tao, it's okay, right? Kasi like kapag na-hit mo na yung lifetime, monthly for life, guys, you have way more flexibility to help out other people, 'di ba? And mas ma-e-enjoy mo na yung life mo. Hindi ko alam kung saan napapunta yung sinasabi ko, guys. But
Yes.
yeah, guys, be inspired. Hope na nai-inspire namin kayo dito sa Go Live na ginagawa namin weekly. And ito yung way namin to help you guys to find that way out for you to, to have the flexible life din, right? So, now let's go to Ate Lorna to ask the final question.
All right, sis. So I don't want to hold you back here. So here's our last question. For those who are curious about starting lahat ng sikretong nanonood, pero marami pa rin haka-haka. Marami pa rin silang, nagko-question sa kanilang isipan. What would you share about your personal experience and how this business has impacted your life, sis?
Okay. Pasensya na, may background ako ngayon. Papakainin lang ng asawa ko yung aming aso. But actually, for those who are curious, as I said earlier, my skepticism will always be in there, right? Took action. A small step is better than nothing. Don't be ready. Kasi wala namang perfect timing yan eh. Do it now kahit hindi ka ready because you learn as you grow in the business, you're learning also. So magiging confident ka, di ba? Ang curiosity is the best thing that you have to take action. Kasi kung wala ka ng curiosity sa buhay mo, baka magiging kontento ka at magiging comfort zone ka na lang at hindi ka mag-grow. Mag-grow in the sense of your personal growth and also the growth for your monetary as we all know bakit nga ba tayo nagbe-business. But the thing is, having a business is not only for you, it's also for others. And that's how this business helped me na ma-realize na kung magbe-business ba ako, yung ang profit lang ba ay ang gigain ko is sa akin lang o dahil sa business na ito may matutulungan ako. At yun dapat yung palagi nating iniisip. Dahil magbi-business ka kasi gusto mong tumulong sa iba. Okay, ang impact ng business na ito sa akin is really the mindset. Dahil ngayon, yung alam mo na yung gusto mong patutunguhan mo dito sa business na ito. Dati nung wala pa akong talagang yung secure na mindset, the positive mindset, sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, hindi nag-work ito sa akin, so that means this is not for me. But now, no. I will tell to myself na kaya mo kung sila nga kaya nila. May mga nagnani dyan, may mga caregiver dyan, but where are they right now? They are already in the leaderboard, right? So it's only you who can say to yourself na kaya mo rin. Be strong in any part of life, especially if you have a business. Be a strong person na whatever storms that come into your life, keep still, keep standing, because that's how you will say to everyone na naysayers na kaya ko. Kung kinaya nila na kaya ko rin. At now, you can see me how I grow. You can see me how I am successful in the business. Hindi yung pagbabrag, but the thing is, you will give them the inspiration na ikaw na parang hindi mo kaya na sinasabi nila na ay hindi niya kaya yan, mamaya wala na yan sa kanya. But now I'm still here standing 6 years na dito sa business and I'm loving it kasi marami tayong natutulungang tao. And the best thing is the time with your family na hindi nga yan matutumbasan kahit ano pa. Ngayon, kung may appointment pag nandito ang parents ko, pag may appointment sila, if they want to go, okay, I'll go. May option na ako na magsasabi na, yeah, I can bring you. Yeah, I can give you this. So yun yung mga bagay na hindi mo nagagawa dati, na hindi ko nagagawa dati. Makakatulong tayo with limitation. But with this business, you can give more if you want to, right? Yun yung mga bagay na dapat nakikita ng mga tao ngayon. Na sabi nila, makakatulong naman ako. Pero yung tulong natin kasi, limit lang kung kulang ka rin. So you have to be more in order for you to give more. Yun lang. Blessing comes to us kung you also give more. Kasi kung i-keep mo lang, i-embrace mo lang yung blessing sa iyo, nothing will come. So ngayon, I know all these three ladies here, all the blessings that they have, they always give. Because lahat ng blessings na binibigay, pumabalik din. Yun yung natututunan ko dito sa business na ito. Yeah.
Galing.
Wow, grabe.
Thank you so much, Coach.
Yeah, that's really an amazing, answer to share with us and to our audience. Nakaka-inspired at sobrang nakaka-touch as in. So to wrap it up, this go live, guys, that we share it to you today. So sa lahat ng mga audience namin dyan, alam ko na gustong-gusto nyo na rin mabago ang inyong buhay. Pero tandaan ninyo rin ito na tomorrow is never be a promise. So while you're still able to do such thing to change your situation right now for your family, do it. Take that bold action. Huwag kayong matakot, huwag kayong mangamba for all those challenges, failures, or setbacks. Because those are part of your journey. Those are your basic foundation in building this better life that you're building it for your family. Okay? Parte yan ng pagsubok ni Lord sa'yo kung talagang deserve mo yan na ipagkakalob niya sa'yo or not. Kasi boring yung journey mo kung walang mga yan. 'Di ba? So,
Galing.
to make it colorful, kailangan talaga yung mga yan. May mga magko-comment sa'yo, okay lang, magre-reject sa'yo, okay lang, redirection yan. Hindi ibig sabihin you're failing forever. That means it makes you even grow more. Okay? So, kung interesado kayo guys, makikita nyo naman itong mga website namin on the screen. Either one of us, reach out to us or simply send us your name and your email. Either way, you can go directly, send or register your name and email to our website, either one of us, or kung wala naman kayong time pa rin to register your information, we can do that for you. Send us your name and email and we'll be more than happy to do it for you guys.
Galing.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ate May Flor. We are so
Thank
inspired
you.
sa galing-galing
Thank
mo.
you.
Thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you.
Nakaka-proud daw Nakaka-proud.
Ayan ang mentor ko.
So, yes.
Yun. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
So, hindi namin kayo kikip ng matagal, guys, kasi 43 minutes na. Wow!
I know. Ang dal ko.
Hindi lang ito, Sis May Flor, ha? Hindi lang itong natin. Marami pa. Yes, hindi tayo magsasawang ibahagi ito kasi nandito na tayo at alam na natin talaga ang potential na maibibigay ng business na ito sa isang taong katulad natin. Yep.
Yes.
So,
Alright.
maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
See you again, guys, next on our next live.
Hey, bye,
Thank you so
everyone.
Bye. God bless everyone.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
May.
Thank
Bye-bye,
you po.
everybody.
Bye.